Hi sir, how are you?
Hi, I am in tension of upcoming audit. Anyway, Varun, what you are doing?
Sir, I am writing readings in raw data book.
You know, Varun, last month, how many GDP errors you and your team made? In most of the raw data entry errors, scratch data, used whitener readings are readable due to poor handwriting. You know, I was answering less in front of my boss and my quality team during audits.
Sir, this will never stop, because how can I make people learn how to write? However, I will try to minimize it.
But where are last month's certificates? Still, I have not received and last month certificates, which I gave you for corrections.
I need to check whether you have prepared or not, and whether corrections have been made or not.
When you are submitting the pending certificates, I have an audit after all the certificates.
Sir, I don't have present status need to discuss with my team. Then I will give you the status in next 3 to 4 days.
This is not acceptable. You and your company don't have real-time information? I am going to be in big trouble. Audit, audit, audit. Now, how I will verify and check the calibration certificate of last 2 months? I have to verify all calibration tags also. In last audit, few tags were not found at their place, and few tags were not changed after calibration. Is the same going to be repeated this time also? Oh God, how I handle such situation in such short time and what to reply my boss in QA about audit preparation. Oh God, does any such calibration service provider exist which help us to overcome from such tradition in conventional calibration and temperature mapping activity practices and challenges? And have all reports, documents, and answers of the queries in a single click? Now it's time to change, and I will bring this change in entire process. Oh, Oorja Technical Services Pvt. Limited? It seems to be the perfect and best. Let's call the Oorja's team member. Hello.
Hello, sir. I am Hitesh from Oorja Technical Services Pvt. Limited. How can I help you?
Please tell Mr. Hitesh how your system works with all critical required compliances, documents in a time-bound manner, and relevant evidence of calibration to show in each and every audit in a single click. In a single word, I want to be confident, fearless before and during audits related to calibration and temperature mapping work.
Sure, sir. You have approached to write ILIC 17025, NABL Accredited Calibration and Testing Laboratory, and have a very big scope of work in calibration, temperature mapping, electrical testing, transformer oil testing, and power quality test. Oorja provides services in many national and international pharmaceutical, automobile, semiconductor, electrical and electronics manufacturing, power generation, aerospace manufacturing, and transmission companies at pan-India locations. We have tab-based calibration system in place at all our customer sites. Our system is paperless, electronically documented, and evidence-based. Images of each reading of UUC and master are captured during activity with real date and time on images. Data will be contemporaneous. These evidences of activity are self-sufficient to have confidence in any of the internal, external audits. I am glad to share that all this evidence is available at any time on a single click. Oorja system do auto error calculation after feeding the reading. Test accuracy ratio is feed into the system, so the system will accept only a high accuracy master instrument than UUC. Similarly, high level of important validation checks is required to ensure the high level of integrity in performing the calibration activity. Oorja's system has a provision to fix a permanent QR code at instruments to avoid the problems of tags missing, tags getting faded in sunlight and washing. This QR code automatically updates the calibration information. This entire system is designed and developed in such a way, if it gets integrated with SAP or other tools, the system will auto-update the information related to calibration while auto-techo closing. Oorja's system provides temperature mapping of thousands of pages of reports electronically approved and signed to Oorja users. As well, same users access to review, approve, and avoid the burden of physically sending these bundles of reports from one location to another location, department-wise, city-wise, to approve. The Oorja calibration system is 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. Oorja customers access this system 24/7 to review evidence of activity, electronically signed approved certificates and reports, instrument calibration and testing certificates, master traceability certificate, Oorja employees' training records, calibration SOPs, relevant evidences of calibration activity, calibration tags, temperature mapping reports, protocols, and many more required documents. This system has a most important feature to track your instrument's performance and calibration planner for next year planning. You can increase the frequency of performing instruments and save the calibration cost as well by decreasing frequency. Avoid the unplanned deviations will save time and increase the productivity of users.
Oh, that's great, Mr. Hitesh. I am really surprised to know Oorja has developed such a digitally driven calibration ecosystem, which will not only solve my present problems, but also address upcoming challenges. GMP-based and pharmaceutical industry highly needs such a system at this moment. Plan a detailed demo for the implementation of Oorja's electronically approved online calibration system with my management team as soon as possible.
Sir, I need your email to share all relevant documents of the Oorja system, and 30 minutes to present a demo with key benefits through your company will save the cost and increase the employee productivity. For a detailed demonstration of our system, we can have a demo trial in the field where the same will be done from the Oorja team and the user team on an actual basis. Oorja Technical Services Pvt. Limited. Always ahead.